is a 2016 Nissan Titan. This is the XD, so it's kind of like a heavy half or a light 3/4 ton. So if you're going to be pulling a trailer, this would be one that you'd want to take for a spin. It's got the Cummins diesel in it, which is kind of nice. You get a little bit extra, you get that diesel power and like that extra torque, which is great. Across the front, you notice it's got the fog lights built in. It also has the park sensors on the front. Down there, those little circles, so if you're about to bump into something, it'll start beeping at you. Nice tow hooks on the front there too, so if you get stuck or something, you can give somebody a pull, or somebody can hook onto there and give you a lift out. Full-length running boards on the sides to go even into the box. And we'll take a look at that when we get back there. But it's the 6.5-foot box, so it's a little bit more room. So we're going to be calling we're packing a side by, or say a four-wheeler or something along those lines. It's kind of nice to have that extra room. Good-looking aluminum wheels on there. Mud flaps on the front. Has the trailer tow mirrors with the bigger mirror and the convex mirror down below. You can also pull these out. Just grab a hold it there. You can kind of see how they slide out. It gives you a little bit more visibility behind you when you're pulling. Also has the touch button here, so if you press that button, it'll lock the doors, or unlock the doors, I guess, if you're trying to get in the vehicle with the key in your pocket. Nice bucket seats, cloth in the front, so they're nice and comfortable. Glove box, lots of comes with the fitted floor mats with the little hooks to hold them in place. Doors, it's got the same thing, lots of storage areas, cup holders, little handle here to make it a little bit easier to get in. You can grab onto that. If you're getting like a little older like myself, makes it a little bit easier to get in and out. In the back, bench seat with a fold down armrest in the middle. These just flip up out of the way. You've got a storage bar here, or bed that kind of flips over, so it gives you like a nice flat load floor if you want. You can do some stuff in there. You'll also see it's got the lock there, so you can lock this case and you can put some valuables back here and store them out of the way so they don't get stolen. It's got a little handle here to unhook it. You'll also see it's got this hook here for like grocery bags or something. You can kind of hook some grocery bags on there and keep them from rolling around when you're out shopping. On the back here, actually I guess I'll show you on the other side. The seat folds forward on the other side for some extra storage. Same thing in the back, lots of storage, cup holders. It's got a nice hard tonneau cover on it. Okay, so that's not the vinyl, it's the more expensive one. On the back, we've got the hitch, the backup sensors as well, same as that we saw on the front. Inside the box, it has the bed liner in it. You'll notice over here, it's got the little plug in there, so you can flick that open if you want to plug something in, like a little compressor. It has these rails. They've got the hooks inside. I'll show you those when we get inside the cab itself, which are kind of handy if you're going to be some extra tie-down anchors, that sort of stuff. Also has in the middle the gooseneck hitch, so if you're going to be calling a gooseneck, you can drop the ball in there. Not sure what kit it is. You're going to have to get a hold of Nissan, find out which one you need to buy. But it's kind of handy if you're going to be pulling that. Down the side, we'll take a look over here. Pop the back door open. I wanted to show you these extra storage areas in here. Those are those hooks that we were talking about that slide in the rails. Now this folds down. You can also pull this strap up here, and it folds the whole seat down. It gives you access behind here, so you can store some extra doodads in there too. So it gives you another place for some more cargo. It's got the rear defrost, sliding rear window, so you can open and close that. It gives you a little bit better visibility in the wintertime. Up front, we've got power seats, power lumbar, power recline on the seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the built-in fog lights. This is how you turn that plug-in on in the box. You also got the cargo lamp here to turn it on. Automatic headlights turn on as soon as it gets dark enough out. Just going to hop in the driver's seat here. There we go. Some keys detected now. It's got 142,117 kilometers on it. A nice big tack, nice big speedo, lots of driver info you can suck through there. You can scroll through and get different ideas of what's going on with your vehicle. Comes with a CD player, AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio. That's a subscription base, but if you want to subscribe to that, you can. Also has automatic climate control. You just set the temperature that you want. The vehicle will automatically go to that and keep it at the same temperature. Nice and even. You don't have to worry about, you even have two zones. You can see you can change this one to like, say 20 degrees over here for the passenger, and the driver's side stays at 18. So it gives you a little bit more comfort when you're driving a long trip. Traction control, you can turn off your park sensors if they're beeping at you, making a bunch of noise. This here's your trailer brake controller, so if you're pulling a trailer, you can use your gain, adjust it, and use that for holding back your trailer. Heated seats, cup holders, lots of storage in there. Open this up here. Nice storage tray. This is removable, so if you need even more room, there's a whole bunch of area down under there to put odds and ends. Overhead, we got the button here for opening and closing your power sliding rear window. Place for some sunglasses to tuck them up out of the way. It's kind of nice to keep your stuff all organized, so when you need your sunglasses, you got them. And you got a little compass here in the rear view mirror telling you what direction you're heading. A couple other things. When you put it in reverse, there is a backup camera. You can kind of see there in the center cluster, which makes it a little bit easier to hook up your trailers. Also, hopefully you don't run into anybody, and do a quick mirror check before you back over something. Okay, so if you're looking for an affordable diesel truck, or just looking to get yourself into something that's a little more reasonably priced, this would be a good option for you. It's been through the shop. We've done a safety inspection on it. Give us a call. We'll send you over a copy of what we did, and get you some financing arranged and send you home in a new to you truck. Give us a call. We hope to see you soon.